Can you see yourself in the 2023 Honda Ridgeline? Here's the extraordinary Honda Ridgeline, the pickup that blends innovative cabin and bed design with rugged all-wheel drive capability and an upscale feel. With ingenious solutions to accommodate your needs, this pickup is ready to take you on adventures in comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, alarm, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control. Don't miss the opportunity to drive a pickup that's as multidimensional as you are. Come in today and drive this Honda Ridgeline.